Demo of India's central bank digital currency SBI app. Customer to select terms and conditions. User guidelines. Customer to select the SIM. SIM verification starts. Customer to set up app PIN. Customer to enter his or her name. Customer to copy recovery code for future purpose. Customer to set wallet PIN. Customer wallet account and address created successfully. Honest customer to link SBI account. Account linked with CBS fetched from his mobile number. Customer to add debit card details for authentication purpose. Customer bank account linked successfully. Customer can send, load, collect and redeem tokens. Notes as per RBI's denominations. Customer can feed coins. Customer to select the account from where the amount to be debited. Customer can load. Add his wallet PIN for authentication. Rupee loaded successfully with the serial number of tokens. Customer can see the recent transactions. Customer can redeem the tokens and see what all denomination he or she has. Customer can redeem. Amount will get credited into his default attached account. Customer to add wallet PIN for authentication. Customer account redeemed successfully. Customer can see the transaction in the recent transaction history. Customer can see his or her wallet balance. Customers can see his wallet with the denomination available for him for future usage. Customer can deregister the account as well, clicking on the deregister wallet button. For deregistration, customer can click on continue button. Customer has balance. Customer has to redeem all the tokens available in his or her wallet.